When mounting a transformer, it is recommended to leave about 6 to 8 inches of clearance around all sides. This is essential for several reasons, all contributing to the safe and efficient operation of the transformer. Proper ventilation is crucial because transformers generate heat as a byproduct of their operation. The core and windings, which are the primary components of a transformer, experience losses due to various factors such as hysteresis and eddy currents. These losses manifest as heat. Without adequate ventilation, this heat can build up, leading to a rise in the transformer's operating temperature. Excessive heat can degrade the insulation materials used in the transformer, reducing their effectiveness and lifespan. Over time, this degradation can lead to insulation failure, which can cause short circuits, ground faults, and even fires. Maintaining clearance allows air to circulate freely around the transformer, carrying away the heat generated by its operation. This natural convection process helps to keep the transformer within its designed operating temperature range. In addition to natural convection, forced air cooling may be employed in some applications, particularly for larger transformers or those operating in high ambient temperatures. In these cases, fans are used to blow air across the transformer's surfaces, enhancing heat dissipation. The 6 to 8 inch clearance recommendation also applies to obstructions such as walls and other equipment. The clearance ensures that the airflow around the transformer is not impeded. If a transformer is placed too close to a wall, for example, the wall can act as a barrier, preventing heat from dissipating properly. This can create hotspots and lead to the same problems associated with inadequate ventilation. The manufacturer's specifications should always be consulted. Some transformers may require more than 6 to 8 inches of clearance, especially those designed for high-power applications or those operating in harsh environments. The manufacturer's documentation will provide detailed information on the specific clearance requirements for the transformer model. Regular inspections should be performed to ensure that the clearance around the transformer is maintained. Over time, objects may be placed near the transformer, inadvertently reducing the clearance. It is important to remove any such obstructions to ensure continued proper ventilation. Furthermore, the area around the transformer should be kept clean and free of debris. Dust, dirt, and other contaminants can accumulate on the transformer's surfaces, reducing their ability to dissipate heat. Regular cleaning can help to maintain optimal cooling performance. From an electrical safety perspective, maintaining clearance around a transformer also provides several benefits. Firstly, it allows for safe access to the transformer for maintenance and repairs. Electrical workers need to be able to reach the transformer's terminals, bushings, and other components without being obstructed. Adequate clearance provides the necessary space to work safely and efficiently. Secondly, clearance helps to prevent accidental contact with energized parts. Transformers typically operate at high voltages, and contact with live conductors can be fatal. Maintaining clearance reduces the risk of accidental contact by providing a physical barrier between personnel and energized components. Thirdly, proper clearance allows for the safe installation and removal of fuses and other protective devices. Fuses are designed to protect the transformer from overloads and short circuits. When a fuse blows, it needs to be replaced quickly and safely. Adequate clearance makes it easier to access the fuse compartment and replace the fuse without exposing workers to electrical hazards. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidelines for the installation of transformers, including requirements for clearance. While the NEC does not specify a fixed 6 to 8 inch clearance, it emphasizes the importance of providing adequate ventilation and access for maintenance. The specific requirements may vary depending on the voltage, size, and location of the transformer. Local codes and regulations may also have specific requirements for transformer installation. It is important to consult with a qualified electrical inspector or engineer to ensure that the installation complies with all applicable codes and regulations. Transformer enclosures are often designed to provide a degree of protection against environmental factors such as rain, snow, and dust. However, even enclosed transformers require adequate ventilation to prevent overheating. The enclosure should be designed with vents or louvers that allow air to circulate freely around the transformer. The vents should be kept clear of obstructions to ensure proper airflow. In some cases, the enclosure may be equipped with fans to provide forced air cooling. Fans should be sized appropriately for the transformer's heat dissipation requirements. When selecting a location for a transformer, consider the ambient temperature of the environment. Transformers operating in hot environments will require more ventilation than those operating in cooler environments. Avoid placing transformers in direct sunlight or near heat sources such as furnaces or boilers. These conditions can increase the transformer's operating temperature and reduce its lifespan. When installing multiple transformers in close proximity, ensure that there is adequate clearance between them to allow for proper ventilation. The heat generated by one transformer can affect the operating temperature of adjacent transformers. It may be necessary to provide additional ventilation or cooling measures to prevent overheating. Regularly monitor the transformer's operating temperature to ensure that it is within the manufacturer's specified limits. Temperature sensors can be installed on the transformer's core and windings to provide real-time temperature readings. If the temperature exceeds the recommended limits, take corrective action to reduce the load on the transformer or improve ventilation. In summary, maintaining proper clearance around a transformer is essential for ensuring its safe and efficient operation. The 6 to 8 inch clearance recommendation provides adequate ventilation, prevents overheating, allows for safe access for maintenance, and reduces the risk of electrical hazards. Always consult the manufacturer's specifications and applicable codes and regulations to determine the specific clearance requirements for the transformer installation. Regularly inspect the clearance and take corrective action if necessary to ensure continued proper ventilation.